Upgrade your kitchen cleanup with the HGN glass rinser. Tired of scrubbing stubborn spots on glasses and bottles? The HGN glass rinser makes cleaning quick and easy. With high-powered multi-angle water jets, it thoroughly rinses baby bottles, wine glasses, and travel mugs in seconds. Say goodbye to residue and hello to sparkling clean drinkware. Crafted from stainless steel with a sleek brushed nickel finish, this rinser is not only functional, but also enhances your kitchen's look. Its water spot and fingerprint-resistant surface keeps it clean and polished, always ready to use. Simply press your cup upside down onto the rinser to activate its powerful spray. Installation is a breeze. Replace your soap dispenser or sinkhole cover in just minutes with basic DIY skills. It's a perfect complement to your kitchen faucet. From busy mornings to entertaining guests, this rinser streamlines your routine by eliminating the need for pre-soaking or manual scrubbing. Its inclined drainage system prevents debris buildup, ensuring a hygienic finish every time. Transform your kitchen sink into a powerhouse of convenience today. Grab your HGN glass rinser for just $52.29. Act now. Your spotless drinkware awaits.